Hi everybody, we're back again, another one of these, and this is the eBay purchase that we made online. We had 5 of these for 50 quid. This is set 6850 and it's another white set that's going to need treating. So we're back in the shed, back to the UV box and the hydrogen peroxide, and we're going to treat some of the white boards. So here we go. Let's just take the lid off. As per last time, whip the instructions out. I'm just going to go through this and chuck any of the white pieces in. It seems like these sets, some of them aren't too bad, some of them are slightly worse than others, which probably means they've come via a collector and not a person. Probably somebody that's gathered these sets up over the years and then just put them up for sale as a lot. I don't think that all of these sets have been in direct sunlight, but I can definitely see that some have. Those seem to be the worst parts on this set, those pieces there. So that's almost all. I'm just going to treat the white. These sets are in really good condition compared to some of the sets I've had. So we're just going to treat the white part. I know there's a couple of black bits on there, but it's not going to affect them. And again, the quality of the astronauts in these has been really good. So I don't really want to mess around with those too much. So we're just going to do them when we finished with the UV stuff in some hot soapy water or warm soapy water to power the UV box up. There we go, give it a stir. We've got a real test later on this year coming for the UV box, and I'm going to tell you why in just a second. We'll just pop the lid on that like so, and we're going to leave like usual for 24 hours. So when I say there's a real test coming up for the UV box, it is a real test. Probably 6 years ago, we had for our son's bedroom the Saturn V rocket, and it's been on display for probably 6 years. Sunlight, mounted on the wall, and we're remodeling the bedroom. So I've taken the rocket down, and it's in not in a good state. It's got a lot of dust on, but it really has, from a white rocket, been really discoloured. So I'm going to do a separate video on that, but I think that'll be a real test for the UV box. But do we put it in the UV box? I don't know at this stage, because I've seen other videos on the Saturn V that have also been in some direct sunlight, and people seem to like it. They think that the discoloured panels seem to give it more character, and it's more like the original rocket would have been. So in a later video, I'm going to show you the state that this has come off the wall, and I don't know, maybe get your thoughts on it and see. My purist part of me says that I want to treat it in the UV box. I want to try and get it as close to new as possible. And then because our son is having a completely different style bedroom now, it will go back on display, but it's going to go back on display in an area where the rest of the Lego is, in the loft area, so it's not going to be on direct sunlight. I'll do a separate video on that, and let us know what you think. Okay, we're back 24 hours later. Let's have a look. We'll turn that off. Now these are not supposed to get hot. After 24 hours they are quite warm. They're not burn warm, but they are warm, and there's a lot of hot air in here, and the hydrogen peroxide does get warm. So just having a look now, the worst bits on these, if you remember, were these bits. They look to have come up really good. So we're just going to take these bits out now, and we're going to rinse them, put them back with the rest of the parts out of this set, give them a good rinse in some warm soapy water, and I always do that when we've had a set from a buyer on eBay, because I think it's just good practice, because you never know what's happened to the sets, where they've been, who's handled them over the years, or what. So just going to whip them out now and take them into the kitchen and give them a good wash. Then we'll set them up overnight to air dry. Hi guys, welcome back. Set 6850 tonight. This is one of the ones we got off eBay for £50. We had 5 sets in total for the £50. So we've been slowly working our way through them, building them up and cleaning them up. So we started this one at the beginning of the week. It's only a small build again, but basically we stripped it down. There was a little bit, not too much, of discoloration on the white. So we put it in the ultraviolet box we've got in the shed. If you want to know what that's about, we do have a YouTube video on that. Interesting that the black parts on this are grey in this manual. Sorry about the kids downstairs making a noise. We put them in the UV box, not the YouTube box, and they've cleaned up really well again, which I'm pleased about. Every one of these sets that I've had off eBay, we've processed through the box, and the white on them has come up just absolutely fantastic, almost like new. So I've been really pleased with the outcome. Didn't think when I started they were going to come out as good as they have, but they have. So there we go. We'll just piece this together. Again, this is from the blue and white phase of the Space Lego, and I'd only got the one of these I think early on, so this has given us quite a few extra of this type of ship, and there might only be sort of little ones, but they do add to the whole sort of making it look busy on the oh, I've completely done that wrong. I don't know how I've done that wrong, but I have done that wrong. Yeah, okay, should have done that, should have done that. And those then should have been on here. Really don't know how I missed that stage, but such a simple layout as well. Okay, well, there we go. We're back on track now. So I'll put those into there like that. Okay. And then on the top we have this. And this is kind of the bit that attracted me to this sort of blue and white dome, because I hadn't got anything like this in the collection. But so we're going to do that with blue light there, blue light there, and the white handle for lifting the cockpit. That goes onto there, and that's going to, yeah, there we go, like so. And then I know these two white bits go in the end of the red laser thing here. And then my second of these sort of astronauts, which I'm really pleased I didn't have any of these until I bought these sets, and they've literally been really good, and they're really, I mean, look at that, it's just absolutely fantastic, in mint condition for sets that are almost, you know, 40 years old. So there we go. Okay, there we go, and there you have it, another little spacecraft. Yeah, and again, he's going to go along with the other ones out of this collection that we've bought. Oh, bit stiff. But yeah, really happy with that, really happy. So there he goes, there he goes, literally in there. Collection is growing. The collection is growing.